What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to go over a free traffic method that you can use to promote products on Clickbank completely for free. No website, no money. Let's get into it. All right, so the first thing you want to do is go to clickbank.com and you're going to need to sign up for an account. And it's pretty simple. You basically just create an account, sign up. All right, so after you sign up, you're going to go down here to the marketplace. And here, this is where all the affiliate offers are. So what a good place to start is down here in the categories to find some sort of niche that you're into. A good one that I'm going to use for this example is going to be the spirituality niche. So if we come down here to spirituality, and this is a good rule of thumb that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to sort all the offers by gravity. And basically what that's going to do is it's going to put the most selling offers at the top. So these are the offers that are getting the most sales. So for instance, this one, I just sorted it by gravity. This one here has a gravity of 216, so it's selling very well. And your goal is to kind of go over anything that's over 80. You can try all of them if you really like. If there's a particular one that you like, you can try it, and maybe you'll be the reason why it goes up above 80 or into the 216. But a good rule of thumb, especially if you're starting out, is you're going to want to find one that's for sure converting. So for this example, let's see here. It says Astro Tarot, average conversion of $24.94. So for this example, I'm going to use this one here, new Astro Tarot 500,000. So if we click on the offer, which is this one right here, so we're going to click on the offer, this is what it's going to be. So when people click on our link, this is what's going to pop up for them. So now that we have our offer, you're going to need to get your affiliate link. So if you go here where it says promote, so right here under the $24.94, it says promote. You're just going to click that. And then you're going to have to put in your account nickname, which you'll have to make one when you make an account. And then you can also add a tracking ID. So if we really want to know like where these are coming from, you can put one there. If you're just starting out, it doesn't really matter. But like for an example, we could use like FB groups, which is what we're going to be using to promote it. And then you're going to have to put your nickname in here. So for this example, I'm just going to type in test 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to generate hop link. So this is actually our affiliate link right here. So you can actually just click this little paper icon here and it copies it to your clipboard. So now that we have our affiliate link, we're going to go to Facebook groups and we're going to promote them. So now that we're at Facebook, you're going to go to groups and we're going to type in groups like Law of Attraction. This is a good category to find groups in that's good for these offers. And so we're just going to go to groups. And here you can see where it says join group, join group, join group. And some of these have 254,000 members. So what we're going to do just so you can get started right now is click public groups. So you don't have to wait to join. And let's try and find one that has a good amount. So this one is 78K, but it seems like more for like a book or something. Let's see, the Quantum Key to Abundance group. Basically any groups that are law of attraction and like spirituality. Law of attraction experimenters. So we'll click join group. Let's see what else here. Let's try the top. Law of attraction. We'll go ahead and just join that one. Law of attraction. This one here too. So join these groups. So then what you're going to need to do is find a picture that you're going to post in those groups. So what we're going to type in is type yes if you agree. So this is a good way to find these pictures that you're going to put in the groups. So let's see here. We're looking for one that's nice. It's really clean, and a lot of people would probably type yes to. So let's see. So for this example, we're going to use this law of attraction quote here. Basically just right click it, save image as. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go back into that law of attraction group that we were just in, and we're going to post. We're going to create a post. So we're going to click photo, and we're going to go to where we saved the photo. And then what we're going to do is we're going to type yes if you agree. So this is kind of how this works. So we're going to put type yes if you agree, and we're going to post it, and we're going to give it a few hours. And then once that post starts getting traction, people are liking it, commenting it, then we're going to come in here and we're going to change the description of the post. It's kind of like a little bit of a workaround because you're not supposed to put your links in the groups and just be spammy. One thing you want to do too is you're going to want to like people's comments. Just keep as much engagement on it as you can, so you'll try and rank towards the top. So now I'm going to show you what you're going to do after the post has been on for a few hours or for most of the day and you're ready to put your affiliate link in there. Is you're going to want to go back to Clickbank where you generated your hop link, and you're going to want to copy that hop link, which is your affiliate link, and then you're going to want to go to something like bit.ly, tiny URL, and you're going to put it in here, and you're going to want to shorten that link so it doesn't look so long and just not appealing. So you shorten it, then copy it, and then when you come in the group here, this is kind of what you're going to do here is, let's see, I like to put an emoji. So since it's spirituality, let's find one that's like space, galaxy, let's see. I know they have one that's like space. Or stars would kind of work. You can also do like a yoga person, something spiritual, so something like this would work as well. All right, so I can't find the galaxy emoji, so we're just going to go with this yoga. Someone's like meditating. So what you're going to want to do for the description now is you're going to change it to click here to learn how to rewire your brain to manifest anything you want. And then we'll put a little hyphen. And then this is where you're going to put in your link that you shortened. So now it says bit.ly instead of that giant URL. And then you're going to want to post that again, or just edit it, whatever it says. I don't know if it says post again after you edit it, but you're basically just going to repost it again. But it's the same post. I know it's kind of confusing there, but you get what I'm trying to say. So this is basically what it's going to look like. And now when people come in, and hopefully it's been ranked up in the group a little bit, if you can get one of these posts, especially in these groups that have like 250,000 followers, if you can get that post ranked up to the top, that is a lot of people seeing your link and hopefully clicking on it. So this is one of the best ways that you can do if you're completely new to this and you're trying to get traffic to your link. This is a really good way to do it. All right, so that is all for today's video. Hopefully this brings some sort of value to you. If I were you, I would post that same deal in as many groups as you can to try and get as much traction as you can to your link. People are going to click on it, look at it, but you're mainly trying to get as many people as you can so that you can try and get those conversions. Now, this is completely free. It doesn't require you to have any website, no money, nothing, and it's a really good way to get started with it. One last thing I wanted to mention was for anybody who wants to jumpstart their making money online with affiliate marketing, anything of that sort, there is a course below. It's called the 15-Day Business Blueprint Challenge. It's through Legendary Marketer. I highly recommend it for anybody who wants to jump into it and start making money doing affiliate marketing. It's literally going to be a step-by-step. That 15-day challenge is to challenge you to the next 15 days to start that journey. So if that's something that interests you, that link will be down below as well. If you guys found any value in this video today, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. So peace.